Year 7, we're working our way through working with integers and we're using the number line. Today, it's all about subtracting integers on a number line. Now here's the principle. Subtracting a positive integer, which is the sort of question we're used to doing, means moving to the left. All right? Subtracting a negative integer, those are the new sorts of questions, means moving to the right. I've got here 4 examples. Let me show you what I mean. So for the first example, it's 3, which really means positive 3, minus 4. So if I come up to 3, there's my positive 3, and then I'm going to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and my answer is negative 1. I've got some keen beans in the class who'd like to answer these questions when I put them up, so I might get your help now as we keep going. The second question is negative 3, negative 4. Now I want to ask the question, with this negative 4, what direction am I going to go? Am I going to go to the left or am I going to go to the right? Tell us which way. Right, you had 1 in 2 chance. It's actually to the left. Let me show you. So we go negative 3, 1, 2, 3. That's our negative 3. And then it says negative. So we're subtracting effectively a positive, but we're going to go to the left. It's like our normal question, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we end up at negative 7. All right? Let's keep going. Let's have a go at the next one. 4, negative, negative 3. So it starts here at 4, but it's negative, negative 3. Which way are we going to go?
We're going to go right.
We are going to go right, because it's like I'm standing at position 4. If I was normally going to go negative, I'd go that way. But it says to go negative to the negative. So I actually go this way. Maybe doing direction helps. And this time I go 3, so I actually end up at positive, and we can just write it as 7.
That's plussing.
It is plussing, isn't it? Well done. So when we have 2 negatives, it's like we are plussing. Let's see, does it change for the next one? Here we are, we're going to negative 3. Who thinks they know what the answer might be? Go.
Minus 2.
Yeah, you're right, because it's negative, negative 1. So it's taking away negative 1, which effectively means it's plus 1, and we end up at minus 2. Now, some of you may have worked out a shortcut. Really what's going on, if I have a positive, it is equal to a positive. If I have a positive and a negative, it's actually equal to a negative, all right, which is like this one. Oh no, like, I don't have it there, but it could be like that one. If I have a negative and a positive, it's the same as doing a negative. But what we've seen today, if I have a negative and a negative, it's like I'm doing a positive. So when I had negative, negative, I actually added it. Negative, negative, I add it. Maybe that might help you. It's a shortcut, but understand it's got to do with what direction we're going in. One more thing, just to put it in another way. Subtracting a negative is like adding its opposite. Remember, we're doing this opposite idea. Make sure you've got this down so you know what you're doing, and then I'm going to set you some work so you can go and practice this that we've just learnt.